This is a close-up of how to pick up the slip stitch threads to make the little cobweb stitch detail. So you are going to catch all of these threads in one stitch. The easiest way to do this is to slip the stitch that you're actually going to knit from the left needle onto the right needle as if to knit. Then insert your right needle underneath all of those slip stitch threads so that you've got them all caught on the right needle. And next, insert the left needle into the back leg of the stitch you're knitting from front to back so that you're effectively putting it back onto that left needle so that you can work the stitch and then pull the yarn through underneath all of those threads. And there you'll see that gives you that little cobweb detail, and you have picked up all of those threads that you have slipped every time you've done a slip stitch in any of the previous knit rows.